Good day everyone, I am Engine Cadet Renz Kevin A. Silva from 12M2. Today, I will explain the fuel oil system, including the fuel flow from the bunker tank to the engine, the fuel treatment process, common impurities, the importance of fuel parameters, and one alternative fuel. The fuel flow starts to the bunker tank, where fuel is stored after bunkering. At this stage, the fuel is a thick of a high viscosity and may contain water, sludge, and other contaminants. The fuel is transferred to the seating tank, where heavier impurities and water settle at the bottom because they are denser than the fuel. This is the first steps is the cleaning the fuel. Next, the fuel enters the purifier. Centrifuges. The purifier spins the fuel at a high speed, removes water and solid particles. This process improves fuel quality and protects engine parts from the damage. After purification, the fuel is stored in the service tank. There it is pumped through the system by the fuel transfer pump. The fuel then passes through the fuel heater. Heating reduces the fuel viscosity, making it flow more easily and improving combustion. After heating, a fuel goes through the fuel filter, which removes any remaining fine particles.
Wow.
Clean fuel helps prevent blockage in the fuel system. The fuel then reaches the fuel injection pump, where it the pressurized before being sent to the fuel injector. The injector sprays the fuel into the engine cylinder as a fine mist. Inside the engine cylinder, the fuel mixes with the compressed hot air and burns. This process is called combustion. During a combustion, the chemical energy stored in the fuel is converted into mechanical energy that powers the ship. Common fuel impurities include water, sludge, dirt, rust, and sediments. The impurities can cause corrosion, clog filters, reduce the fuel efficiency and the damage of the engine components. Maintaining fuel parameters is important. Viscosity affects the fuel flow density, helps into the purification temperature, affects combustions, and cleanliness, protects the engine parts. Fuel parameters improve efficiency and reduce maintenance costs. Alternative fuel is a liquefied, a natural gas or LNG. LNG produces a lower emission sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, and carbon dioxide compared to the conventional fuel oil. This helps reduce pollution and protects the environment. In conclusion, the fuel oil system plays a very important role in the safe and efficient operation of a ship engines. Fuel passes through several stages from the bunker, tank, seating tank, purifier, service tank, heater filter, injection pump, and injector before finally reaching the engine cylinder for the combustions. It is also important to maintain a fuel parameters such as viscosity, density, temperature, and cleanliness. Understanding the fuel oil system and the properties of fuels allow the maritime engineers and seafarers to operate the engines and safely, efficiently, and responsibility. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation helped you understand the importance of the fuel oil system in ship operations.